Do you want to die a virgin? Virgins don't go to heaven. Those were the very scary words I heard many years ago. Why? I'll tell you why. Because of this is but the scared fellow TOASTMASTERs, panel of judges, and exuberant afternoon. This. Oh, there's a text message. This. Those were the magical words and sounds that brought me into a fairy tale-like love story that ended to a true-to-life story. But before I'm going to give you that, and they lived happily ever after, let me just bring you back. Soul searching is not as easy as it seems. I struggled a lot, waiting, finding, searching, looking for a man. I remember when I was 15, that was the very first time I got so deeply infatuated with the vice president of our senior class. Fantasized the Prince Charming in the other section. Daydream about the commanding officer of our security batch. I did everything to make them notice me. But to my dismay, the harder I tried, the wilder they became. Lions and tigers that are on stage. Everybody seemed in my batch dating one another. In fact, during our junior-senior prominence, I even bribed my classmates who happened to be my cousin to dance with me all night long. But it turned out that he had forgotten all about our deal. Imagine, from almost 200 songs that night, not only 2 dances. I was a bench generation. Bottom line, I graduated high school, not even experiencing to have a boyfriend. Many years ago, 3 years after that, I still don't have any experience going into a relationship. But at the age of 18, yes, there was a man trying to court me. Oh, I got a long hair that time. I was so attractive. But the time as he came in as fast as he disappeared. When he attempted to kiss me, I ran as fast as and I never went home till sunset. Because that time I thought if I were kissed, I will get pregnant. That was a very wrong notion, right? So then the next day and several years before that, I had never any boyfriend. But I did not stop from there. I have to do something, I said. I went to the newsstand and I bought almost all the magazines and song hits of the paper columns from them. I sent letters in the Philippines, even abroad. Well, several of them became my boyfriend. But, to my dismay again, no one from those pen pals dared to come with me. I did my best, but I guess my face wasn't good. Was it my voluptuous body? Or could it be my long cheek? Whatever. But several years and more years than that, I decided to just give my full time to my nieces and nephews. And everybody in the barangay will say to me, you will never get married. You will die a virgin. Oh my God. I am open. In my late, early 30s, I should say, I can afford to buy a cell phone. And the size of my cell phone before was, well, like a cabinet like that. It's a sentimental value to me, okay? Because that cell phone wrote the man who had changed my life completely. And at the late 30s, I finally walked down the aisle to meet my man at the altar. To cut the story long short, I just